All right, now we have the markets down. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is down 200 points, and we'll see how long that lasts. As I said, they're going to take this market up. Now, at the end of the week, we're going to begin earnings season. We're going to have the big banks set it off with their earnings release. We're going to have Bank of America, JP Morgan Chase, Wells Fargo, and a few others. And then next week, we're going to have a slew of big name companies releasing their earnings. Now, the biggest news today is oil, and that's up again. We have WTI up more than $2.50, over $77 a barrel. And Brent crude is now trading over $80 a barrel, $80.64. And it's worry time, ladies and gentlemen. This oil market has turned from bear to bull in a matter of 2 weeks. And that's all it's going to take is one more day like today. And we're going to be in worry territory. And my guess is you're going to begin seeing the Fed walk back some of their rate cut rhetoric. And we're going to go from the likings of a 75 basis point cut to maybe no cut at all. Because oil, that's going to pull up inflation from everywhere. Now, probably the other biggest news is going to be the Hurricane Milton, Category 4 or 5 storm. Looks like it's going to slam Florida, the west coast of Florida. And just looking at what they're expecting as far as storm surge being as high as 12 plus feet, we may very well be looking at the largest, most costliest catastrophe in the United States. And right now, if this storm hits like it's modeled, we may have 250,000 people homeless overnight because a 12 plus foot storm surge, that's going to wipe homes off their foundation. And what's that going to mean for this economy? I have no idea. But right now, this country can't take another economic hit from one of these storms. As I've said, it'll end up being a knockout blow for this country. And we probably already had a few thousand people become homeless throughout the Appalachian states, North Carolina, South Carolina, Tennessee, Northern Georgia. So this weather, climate, whatever you want to call it, it's turned upside down. Now, San Francisco hit a high of 97 degrees yesterday, and that's unheard of. So again, up is down is up, left is right, you name it. Mother Nature, she's confused. But the bottom line is these catastrophes, they're costing America a ton of money, and they're setting us back. Now, the insurance companies, they'll probably fare pretty well because I don't believe they're going to pay out. But ultimately, insurance rates, they're going to go through the absolute roof. Now, other than that, it's pretty quiet, and this market's red. But I'm pretty certain at the end of the week, we're going to be higher than where we are now. This quick stock market commentary, please like and subscribe.